So on the top it has 2 screws. And then on the back it has a couple of screws here. Okay. So at the top, from this top screw, you have this bolt kind of on the bottom, so you have to hold that and then screw it off, and then I think this whole thing will slide out then. So I'm just gonna reach in here, hold the nut, and hold it out. Then at the top you'll be able to pull these guys out, and then just pull it at the top here. Then with that and these disconnected, we can take out oh yeah, nice. This looks amazing. So here's the inside. You can see all the components. It looks like we have some capacitors. These are also some capacitors too. These cylinder things, Well, we have some resistors in here. These big guys, what are they? Not 100% sure. They have a voltage rating, 200 volts DC. Yeah, I don't know. Interesting there. So, but what we want to have a look at is at the bottom we have these pots, and when you sweep a pot, there's actually a little wiper in there. Let me just try to get a good shot of it here. So here's a pot here, and inside, when you twist, you can see there's a little rotor that moves back and forth in there. You just barely see it. So I'm just going to give it a little spray. Okay. So, and then we'll keep on going down the line. And then what you want to do is you want to give a quick rotation of the pot so that it gets the rust off. Okay. It's a really nice, simple machine here. Okay. And then what I'm going to do as well is we have these little contact pins. I'm just going to give a little bit of liquid on these as well. That's going to help. Okay. And that is it. Now I can reinsert I'll show off the tubes here. So here are the tubes, and these tubes are basically the old traditional transistors, or basically operational amplifiers right here. So they're using tubes, and it has better sound for clipping and stuff like that for the reverb for your guitars. So very interesting. The machine is so nice that you can just slide it back in, and very repairable device right here. It's really nice. Alright, let's try it. Still a scrap in this sound. But for the volume, it seems to be better.
So hopefully this has fixed your problem. If it has, give a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, I am an author as well on Amazon. So if you want to support the channel, you can go to amazon.com or .ca and type in my name. It's Benjamin Newson. And I've just recently published a couple books. My very first novel is called Heart of Stone. It's an interesting story about the end times, and this guy's having dreams, and then his dreams become real in a science fiction novel. I also have other book called Unlocking Your Mind, about memory tricks for studying techniques, as I'm a teacher, so several years there. And Over the Great Wall, I've written about my life experiences 7 years abroad in China. So have a good day, and I'll see you in the next repair video.